We're back with you know who. We're going to work on the place command. So you need to get something set up at home, Stacy, and you really need to use a little tether. There's several components to this exercise. Partly getting him to go there and lay down, and the other part being to stay. So in order for him to learn to stay, you've got to use a short tether, really just a leash, you know, to the leg of the couch or something. Bronson. In your place, down. We use his name to get him out of there. Bronson. I'm not going to use it to get him in. In your place. Wonderful. So he can have his chew bone and stuff there, but we need to have a tether and be able to make him stay. Bronson. So I'm holding my pager down in your place. Good. The second he stepped up there, I let it up. Good. Good. He might. Bronson. So I'm gearing towards success. In. Good. So holding the pager down as I say in, and by in I mean the act of moving away. More updates soon.